So we're gonna make some really cute fall shelf sitters. Shelf sitters. I have a hard time saying that, but these are gonna be so cute, guys. I think you're gonna love them. It's very fall-like outside, and everybody's got their fires going, and it's all nice and fallish, and it makes me wanna have fall things all over my house. I had this black that was actually a very tall house. See that? I had Mr. Bandt cut it in two so that I could make a little pair of shelf sitters. It looks like select pine, but it's not. So it's not my favorite wood to use for this, but I already had it and I had a really good idea to do this. And these are what we're gonna use. These are some of those wood adhesive shapes. So we're gonna use those. I know you see this very pretty plaid here, but we're not going to use the plaid. We're going to use the polka dot one. The first thing that we have to do is paint these blocks. And I'm using Bungalow 47 cream and mint enamelware. Aren't they? Isn't this just a pretty combination? Wait till you see what we're going to do, guys. It's going to be so cute. Do I want to sand the edges?
Oh, you can.
I have such limited space, you know, and my space feels like it's shrinking on me. I'm just gonna sand the edges a little bit. I am going to lightly sand the surface of this guy with my brown paper. I'm gonna go ahead and wax, guys. I'm gonna wax both of them. Drink a little coffee while my wax is simmering. I need a stencil, guys. We're gonna stencil next. The polka dots. Why is there an L in polka dots?
Is there?
Yeah.
Oh.
I think we're just gonna put it in here. I did this once before and I thought I liked doing that way, so then it doesn't stick to my table. I think white paste will look cute, guys. I think it will. Ooh, it's cute. It's so cute! All right, then I gotta get this in my water. I think we're gonna use, this one is going on here, and then the pumpkin face is gonna go on the polka dot. Mr. Bandt got me this beautiful stem.
Stick?
But I think I want to use, like, make a little wreath out of this. I got all these at the Dollar Tree, guys. Look at these things. It's wire. Aren't these adorable? I'm going to use this, I think. Let's see. I'm going to wrap this around here. I think this will work.
Yes.
I think this will work. I don't know if I like it. I thought it would be so cute. And now that I've done it,
You're asking yourself why.
Well, look at it though. See, it looks a little
strange.
Oh, I don't know. I do like it with that up there, maybe. There. That's where it needs to be, right there. Okay, so let's do this. We're gonna use a little 3-in-1, I think, to put my bow on that, and then I'm gonna use hot glue to glue it on. So let me think about how I want to do this. I don't know if this is going to work. Yeah.
You put tape like there and tape like there, and then it's like you have application tape.
Where?
Here, do you want me to hold something?
No, I got it. This might be a complete and utter failure too. I don't know.
I don't know.
Is it going to work?
I think so.
Whoa. Is it gonna work?
Careful, careful.
I think it's not crooked. I love it. Oh my gosh.
Your thing is adorable and cute.
I like it a lot.
I like it.
I want to go back and get some more. Hee hee! I love it.
Oh my gourd.
Oh my gourd. I'm not sure I like that. Okay, now it looks like it has bad hair. I think I just trim it like here and here. What you think?
Yep.
You think? You thinky? Rat-a-tat-tooey? Oh! Do you want to pop in? We have a special guest. Everybody say hi.
Oh, yeah.
Hello.
It's Haley.
Hi.
Do we look kind of
Looks
alike?
similar.
You have the dispatching image.
There. A little bit.
A little similar.
She's
I
my
don't know where to look.
oldest. You look right there.
Okay.
Isn't that a little odd where you look?
Yeah.
Aren't they adorable?
How cute they are!
Aren't they cute?
Okay.
We have one of the murderous hornets in here.
Yep, right there.
Oh, it's so
It's huge.
big.
It's huge.
Oh,
It's so big.
oh, show
Look
it
at
to them. You guys, we
It's
need an
bigger.
exterminator.
That's so large.
Oh, maybe it's a murderous. Get it away from my head.
She's allergic to them.
I know that she's allergic to them.
Don't let go.
I got
Let
it.
go. Okay.
I won.
Hug at the door.
Oh.
This was fun.
So I think they turned out well. Oh, is there another one in here?
Allie, there's another.
There's another hornet. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna let you go because there's a hornet. I gotta get out of here. See ya. Bye.